Restoring the Difficult Class 2 Cavity by Dr. Marc Gottlieb. More often than not, your patient will arrive with that fractured cusp or wide open box. Then once you remove the undermined enamel and any remaining decay, you realize you have a matrix band in place and you can't support the matrix band with a separating ring. A simple solution would be to place the ABC Wedge by Affordable Dental Products either as a pair or from the buccal and lingual to support the matrix band while placing a separating ring. This simple maneuver prevents the matrix band from being crushed into the box. So as you see, we have created a broad, tight, flossable contact using the ABC wedge. From this unique design, the two wedges, if used as a pair, will slide past each other, creating constant pressure at the gingival margin, allowing the separation of the matrix band. Here is another example of a rotated tooth with a wide open box utilizing the ABC wedges to support the matrix band and prevent the band from being crushed inside the box. To help the restorative dentist, the ABC wedges are available in 4 sizes: extra small, small, medium, and large, in left and right configurations. So the next time that patient walks into your office with that fractured cusp or the wide open box, consider the ABC wedge as a possible solution for that difficult class 2.